Okay, then what? What does 1/4 mean?
Up one.
Oh, up one, up 4.
Nice job.
Can you do number 3?
Okay, number 2, tell us, please, Dex. Number 2.
That was me.
You start at -5, then go up 3 over to right 5.
Is it coming back to you guys?
Yes.
Number 3 is not coming.
Okay.
3's not.
Do you get why it's 3 and then a 5? You're rising up 3, you're running 5. Do you get it? You guys okay? Will you write it? Okay. Number 3, Tula. Number 3, 2x minus 4.
You can start at -4.
Start at -4.
Go up 2 and over 1.
Mathematicians are lazy, yes?
Why do you get it over 1? Because really there's a 1 under there, and 2 divided by 1 is just 2.
Good explanation. Tula, nice job. Peyton, number 4. This one's weird if you look at it, isn't it?
Start at -2.
Start at -2. Up 1 over 1. Technically there's 1x, right? But put a 1 under it because
1 divided by 1
1 divided by 1
is 1.
is 1 and here we go. Yes. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Because there's 1x here, so it's 1 over 1 for the slope. Okay? Number 5, just good old y equals x. What if x is 100? What's y?
100.
What if x is 10? What's y? So doesn't it just make a diagonal line right through there? Only that wasn't very nice. So 2 gives you 2. 4 gives you... So it makes a nice straight diagonal. Do you get that? Because whatever y is, x is the same thing, right? See, look, if I put 5 right here, what's y? 5.
That makes sense now.
If I put -4 here, what's y?
-8.
-4, so that's right here. You get it, kind of? Okay. All right, you guys are good. What?
How about if you make a t-shirt?
Hey, who can tell me how much bigger? Shh. R prime T prime is 6, right? But if I go 6, and then if I go another 6, how many 6s?
3, 18, something like that.
So it's 3 times bigger. Shh. Except for who can see my mistake? That's wrong. We're not biggering, are we? We're not biggering. We're smallering. Shh. So, okay, so let me teach. Shh. So what's the opposite of timesing by 3? Dividing by 3. Or times by 1/3. Okay? Through where? R and R prime?
Right there.
What else?
And right there.
S and S prime?
Yeah, right there. Whoa.
T and T prime?
It's going to be that R, 1 by R.
Okay.
My legs aren't that straight.
So it's about right there?
I'm about right there.
-9, 6 is what I heard. You guys agree?
I say.
Yeah, why do you need to know?
Okay. Awesome question. Why do you need to know the center of dilation? Because if I move that center of dilation, do you remember what happens on GeoGebra if you move it? It moves this shape to somewhere else. If I drop that point down to here, where do you think it'll move the triangle? It'd move it up, right? Wherever the center of dilation is what affects where everything's located. It's all hooked together. If you want to make video games or do GPSing or things like that. Yeah. Okay. They're saying, here we go. So the origin, well, you write 0, 0, you know that. That's where the dilation starts.
So the dilation and the origin are not the same thing.
Dilation is how much you're enlarging it by or shrinking it by. But the center of dilation,
Yeah, center of
It's-
dilation and the origin are not the same.
no. Sometimes it's at the origin, sometimes it's not. Nope. Paula. Okay. Peyton, tell me where B prime is if B's right there and we're doubling this thing. 8, he says. Who agrees with the 8? If it's up 4 and we're doubling it, you agree, it's 4 up, right?
Yeah.
So if we're doubling it, Luis, that puts it right here, right?
Mr. McIntyre?
Yes.
I am so sorry. Can we get Peyton Lindsay to the counseling center, please?
Yep. Hey, will you watch this one more thing? You'll want to see this. Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Do you guys know where... Yeah, that was kind of rude of how he did that. Kind of made me feel bad, like he wants to leave.
C goes in 4-2, doesn't it?
Wait, though. Where's C at?
4-2.
Isn't it down 2 and over 3 from the origin?
Go to 4-2.
From the center of dilation.
4-2.
So, how many times should I go down 2 over 3 if I'm doubling it?
Twice.
Not once, but
Twice.
twice. Yes. So, do it again. Down 2 over 3. That's where C prime's going to be. So now look. Do you agree with that? Shh. Bryce. Okay, will you try to figure out where A's prime's going to be?
Well, it's going to be 2 times bigger, so it's going to be at B and S.
So to get to A, I go down 3 over 3, right?
So you're going to go down 6. Down 6.
Yeah, I'm writing it down.
Or just do down 3 over 3 twice?
Yeah, but your picture is big enough.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, never mind. I forgot that you're going to start from that origin.
Is that okay, guys?
Yeah. I forgot that you started from the origin. I got 22 on my post-its.
Okay, here we go. Will you write K instead of R? K equals 1/3. Shh. Okay. K is the letter they use for enlarging or shrinking on GeoGebra. I don't know. I'll be honest, I don't know. You okay, Tula? Okay. This guy is 3 by 6. You guys agree? Okay. Shh. But we're thirding it, right? We're 1/3ing it. Now think here. Think, Luis. So if this is 3 units from here to here, and we're 1/3ing it, how big is it going to be now?
1.5.
It's only going to be 1 unit.
It's only going to be 1 unit. Right? So N prime will be right there.
So if it goes 6
Put that away, Conrad.
it's only going to go 2 to the right. Is that right?
Instead of going 6 to the right, Bryce says, we're only going to go, what's 1/3 of 6? 2. Does that make sense? I lost you on that?
Wait, which one are they?
Okay, isn't L 6 units away from 0?
Then if you're going down 3, there's 1, and then there you go.
So 1/3 of 6 is 2.
Wait, would that be L prime?
So that'd be L prime. So now I know it's got to be right here.
I just hope so.
What do you guys think? You okay?
What about the old
Wait. Will you guys mark the center of dilation? It's right here. 0, 1. Y'all got it marked? So we're dilating from that spot. So from here to B, from here to B is how much, guys? 1. If I'm tripling it, where's it going to be?
3.
It should be right here, right?
Yeah.
3 away. Luis, you can't talk and get this. 3 away, right? Now using that logic, how far is A away?
3. So it should be 9. Well, will be 9.
It's 3 away, so Bryce says move it 3 times 3 away. Right there?
That's right, right?
Bryce, this doesn't look right.
Should have been.
Okay?
I mean, it's white.
Thank you, Bryce, for fixing. Okay, here's where you really got to watch. You ready?
That looks wrong, but I think it's right.
So, how far is C away from 0, 1?
4.
Over, wait, do slope. Down 2, over. But I got to do that not once, but
3 times. So would it be
3
down,
times.
What's 2?
So down 2 over 4. Down 2 over 4. Down 2 over 4. Does that look right?
Yeah. And I thought it didn't look right.
Are my slopes the same? Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1.
And all the angles, right?
Paula, will you put that in your pocket? Sorry. Thank you.
And then the slope of that one is down 2 over.
Where's D, you guys, from the point of dilation?
Down 2 over 3.
Down 2 over 3? So I got to do that not once, not twice,
3 times.
but
4, 5, 7.
3 times. Right here.
That's a big string.
So how far was D from from dilation? It was down 2 over 3, right? So I got to move it 3 times.
Oh yeah.
Is this stuff hard?
No.
Little?
No. Oh, yeah, a little.
Are we using slope?
Yeah.
Yeah? Linda, are you okay back there? You can't see?
Now you can see us on the board.
Sorry.
By the slope, huh?
You could.